Hello everyone, I'm here to review this air purifier from JZ200. It can cover up to almost 1,000 square feet, so it's perfect for bedrooms, small rooms, offices. I plan to use it for my bedroom, so go ahead and join me. Let's go ahead and set this up and talk about why I chose this air purifier over others. Before starting the setup, I do just want to showcase everything that came inside the packaging here. So of course you have the air purifier. It does come with its own power cable to easily plug that in to the back here. And then it does come with an instruction manual, but I'll be showing you again all the cool features and just how easy this thing is to use. So let's go ahead, get started. In order to get this thing up and running, super simple, all you have to do is plug it in. When you first order it in the packaging, they do actually tuck in a lot of the stuff into the filter system at the bottom. So please make sure that you open up that bottom part there. Again, super easy just to twist off and open. Clear out the power cable, any plastic that is surrounding the filter, and you're ready to start using it. Then you can just pop it back on top of the filter there. You'll see it instantly turns on, ready to start going. So you do have a few buttons. Of course, the middle one there is power. In the left-hand side, you have the automatic mode for A. In the top, you can press the fan mode and have multiple levels of the fan, depending on how intense you want it to run. In the top left, you have the sleep mode, so you can have it be especially quiet for nighttime. And then in the bottom left, you do have that timer, so you can change it between 2, 4, and different hour options. And then you can see there that I did max it out, the fan options at the top at the level 4. Then you also have the ability to turn off the light by clicking that right button. And then you have a child lock. So if you press and hold for a few seconds, it'll child lock it. And then that top right button actually lets you know when the filter needs to be changed. But overall, again, super easy. It's definitely going to clear up the air in my apartment and bedroom here. I can't say enough great things about this air purifier, and I highly recommend getting one for yourself today.